Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out Tabitha Brown's new whipped vanilla cream collection from her hair care line, Donna's Recipe. I was super excited for this collection because there is a curl enhancing gel and a curl defining mousse, which I picked up, and I wanted to see if it was as good as the last collection. So with that being said, let's get into the video. I'm starting on wash and detangle hair. Before applying any product, I'm going to get my hair soaking wet. You don't have to do this. If you're only using the mousse, it recommends to use on towel dry hair. But because I'm going to work with the gel and the mousse, I want to make sure that my hair is wet enough so both products can distribute onto my hair easily and evenly. The first product I'll be using is the Whipped Vanilla Cream Curl Enhancing Gel. This is a non-sticky and non-flaky gel that smooths hair to give your curls a long-lasting definition and shine. It has a thick, slippery texture along with the vanilla extract smell. I used a generous amount and raked it through my hair. Then I took my Tangle Teaser and brushed the product through, making sure that the product coated all of my hair. This gel is not only good for wash and goes, it's perfect for styling a sleek back bun or ponytail. Its soft medium hold helps to not only enhance your curls, but to also fight against humidity, so your curls will stay intact in humid conditions. The first thing that grabbed my attention towards the gel was its key ingredients: vanilla, biotin, aloe vera, and vitamin E. I've stated this before, but any gel with aloe vera in it, I'm grabbing. And because I'm growing my hair out, I find myself trying to get biotin in as much as I can. On top of the key ingredients, this product is color safe, free of parabens, sulfates, silicone, gluten, mineral oil, and petroleum. What I enjoyed most about the gel is its smooth consistency and slip that made it easy to work with. It left my hair feeling hydrated and instantly revived my curls without any stickiness. While my curls did feel slightly weighed down, it was in a good way. Next, I'm taking the Whipped Vanilla Cream Curl Defining Mousse and applying that right on top of the gel to seal everything in. When applying, I used about 4 to 5 pumps, maybe a little more, and I raked it through my hair with my fingers. I then took my Tangle Teaser and smoothed my curls, making sure my hair was lathered in product. Once I felt my hair was moisturized enough, I then shingled my curls. This mousse was specifically formulated for those with curly, coily, and wavy hair. It contains a vegan formula enriched with nourishing ingredients such as biotin, vitamin E, aloe vera, and vanilla. Its lightweight nature delivers definition without any crunch, offering a soft, touchable hold. And just like the gel, it has a subtle vanilla extract smell. It's also color safe, free of parabens, sulfates, silicone, gluten, mineral oil, and petroleum. Like I've stated before, I love a good mousse, and this is one of them. The texture is thick enough to get a good lather, and it provides a good amount of moisture where I feel comfortable using it on its own. I feel both of these products did what they were supposed to do and made my hair look and feel hydrated. When I received these products, I was super surprised at how big the bottles were. The gel is 10 ounces and the mousse is 8.5 ounces, and both of them cost $15.99. To me, that's a really good deal, especially when the actual product is good. After I was done styling, I just knew my hair was going to turn out good. My hair and scalp felt hydrated and very moisturized. My curls had tons of definition and I had little to no frizz. I did diffuse for about 30 minutes. Since these products have a softer hold, I didn't want to use too much heat because I didn't want my hair to be frizzy. I allowed it to air dry the rest of the time, and this is how it looks at about 95% dry. My curls were so defined, very little frizz, and overall my hair was really soft. As the days went by, my hair actually looked better than the first day. I had a lot more volume and my curls stayed defined with barely any frizz. I was really amazed with these products and I'll be keeping these products in my rotation. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. And like always, thank you for watching.